Hello friends, welcome to Learn GK 247. So in this video we discuss about top 50 important GK. So let's start. Drinking soda is in nature. Answer acidic. Second question. The gas used for artificial fruit ripening of green fruit is. Answer ethylene. Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics is situated at. Answer Kolkata. What is the maximum time required for heartbeat? Answer 0.8 second. Salim Ali was eminent. Answer ornithologist. ISRO is abbreviation for. Answer Indian Space Research Organization. Which of the following is not a digestive enzyme? Answer insulin. Anchaleshwar and Kailol auto oil fields in which state? Answer Gujarat. Tear gas is. Answer chloroprene. Who invented radar? Answer A. H. Taylor and Leo C. Young. Tropical storm in Chinese Sea is known as. Answer typhoon. The Delhi general who successfully advanced up to Madurai was. Answer Malik Kafur. Which city is known as the Big Apple? Answer New York, USA. Pregnant women usually become deficient in. Answer calcium and iron. Petroleum is a mixture of. Answer hydrocarbons. Longitudinal waves cannot travel through the. Answer vacuum. In which state Madumalai Wildlife Sanctuary is located? Answer Tamil Nadu. Daily weather changes in the atmosphere are associated with. Answer troposphere. Whose cell line is owner's pride, neighbor's envy? Answer Onida TV. Where is Indian Institute of Petroleum located? Answer Dehradun. Which among the following is pure matter? Answer carbon dioxide. The animal which uses sound as its eyes is. Answer bat. Sundarbans of eastern India is an example of. Answer mangrove ecosystem. EEG is used to detect the functioning of. Answer brain. Which of the following is the first missile which has been developed in India? Answer Prithvi. In which substances all carbon are quaternary in nature? Answer diamond. Darwin finches refers to a group of. Answer birds. Galvanized iron is made by coating iron with. Answer zinc. Which of the following is not a precious stone? Answer pearl. What can be separated from alcohol water mixture by? Answer distillation. The incidence of sales tax falls on. Answer consumers. Land and sea bridges occur due to. Answer convection. The theory of evolution was put forward by. Answer Charles Darwin. Global warming is mainly due to accumulation of. Answer: carbon dioxide. Which part of sunlight makes the solar cooker hot? Answer: infrared. Which of the following is radioactive? Answer: thorium. What is the shape of our Milky Way galaxy? Answer: spiral. Where Naptha Chakri power project located? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Curd is sour in taste due to presence of. Answer: lactic acid. Who discovered the atom bomb? Answer: Otto Hahn. The energy emitted by the sun is due to. Answer: nuclear fusion. Do or die is the famous slogan given by. Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Where is Forest Research Institute located? Answer: Dehradun. Cabinet mission came to India in year. Answer: 1946. Who was the first known Gupta ruler? Answer: Sri Gupta. Who was the greatest Bhakti poet of Maharashtra? Sant Tukaram. The term beamer is associated with. Answer: cricket. Which of the following is the greatest circle? Answer: equator. Which is the largest metal trading center? Answer: London. In which year Salt Satyagraha took place? Answer: 1930. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.